If we say 1.5 is a cube root of 3.375, remember the x to the n equals k. So by showing this, we should be able to say 1.5 is a cube root, that's a 3, of 3.375. Shouldn't that be true? See how I just wrote that statement? The way we were reading it, 1.5 is a cube root of 3.375. And now we just need to show that this is true. In our calculators, can we do 1.5 to the third power? Yeah, absolutely we can. Or 1.5 times 1.5 times 1.5, and guess what you get? 3.375. Okay, so there you go for that one. Show that negative 1.5 is not a cube root of 3.375. Well, if I have negative 1.5 times negative 1.5 times negative 1.5, if I have a negative times a negative times a negative, is my answer positive or negative? You get a negative answer. If you have a negative number to an odd exponent, negative. So that does not equal 3.375. That does not equal it. What is 1/8 to the 1/3 power? It's 1/2. That absolutely equals 1/2. And so if we're evaluating, that's just all it equals, 1/2. Okay? The fourth root of 81, that's asking what number times itself 4 times equals 81? 3. 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 equals 81. Another thing you could do in your calculator is 81 to the what power?
1.25.
To the 0.25 power or 1/4 power, absolutely.
It's better to make it decimal if you can.
Okay. It's your life, Parker. You live it, baby. What domain are the inverses? What domain do we have to use for the inverse function? Yep, x values greater than, x values greater than or equal to 0 would be your answer for part B. We graphed them in part A. Looks something like this. It's on the computer screen. Okay? And for number 4, we want to give a formula for the radius r of a sphere with surface area S. I'm going to give you guys, actually let me switch back over. I'm sure you all recall this from geometry class, but I'll refresh your memory if you don't. S, the surface area of a sphere, is 4 pi r squared. Remember that? Of course you do. Okay, so I want you to give the formula for the radius r. Answer is going to be r equals the square root of S, the surface area, divided by 4 pi.